Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, I am so excited to introduce you to this amazing soft laptop bag that is perfect for Xiaomi, HP, Dell, Lenovo notebook computers, and even Macbook Air, Pro, and Retina models. This sleeve case cover is an absolute must-have for anyone who wants to protect their precious laptop while on the go. First of all, the material of this laptop bag is top-notch. Made of high-quality cotton, it ensures that your laptop is protected from wear and tear while also being lighter and earthquake-resistant. It's also breathable and anti-static, so you can trust that your laptop will be safe and sound. Inside. The design of this bag is not only practical but also stylish. The zipper opening makes it easy to access your laptop, while the softness of the bag ensures that it fits snugly around your device. Plus, it comes in a neutral color, making it suitable for anyone who wants a sleek and professional look. Now, let's talk about the sizes available. No matter what size your laptop is, we have the perfect fit for you. From 13 inches all the way up to 15.6 inches, you can choose the size that best suits your laptop and rest assured that it will be a perfect fit. So why should you invest in this laptop bag? Well, not only does it provide ultimate protection for your device, but it also adds a touch of style to your everyday look. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or simply someone who likes to keep their gadgets safe, this laptop bag is a gamachanger. And the best part? You can get your hands on this amazing laptop bag by clicking the link in the description below. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on this opportunity to give your laptop the protection it deserves. So click that link, get your own soft laptop bag, and thank me later. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and recommendations on the best tech accessories out there. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I am so excited to be bringing you a review of the 2PCS Eyecup F rubber for Canon EOS cameras. If you're a Canon user like me, you know the importance of having a reliable and comfortable Eyecup for your viewfinder. These Eyecups are compatible with a wide range of Canon EOS cameras, including the 760D, 750D, 700D, 650D, 600D, 550D, 500D, 100D, 1200D, 1100D, and 1000D. This means that no matter which model you have, you can benefit from the enhanced comfort and stability that these Eyecups provide. Let's talk about why you need to get your hands on these Eyecups. First and foremost, they are made of high-quality rubber that is soft and comfortable against your eye. This is crucial for long photo sessions or when shooting in bright sunlight. The last thing you want is for discomfort to affect your focus and composition. Additionally, these Eyecups help to block out excess light, which can be a gamachanger when shooting in bright conditions. This allows you to see through the viewfinder more clearly and accurately, resulting in better photos and videos. Moreover, with 2PCS in each package, you'll have a spare on hand in case you misplace or damage one. This added convenience ensures that you can always have the protection and comfort you need when using your Canon EOS camera. So, if you're ready to take your photography and videography to the next level, I highly recommend picking up a set of these 2PCS Eyecup F rubber for your Canon EOS camera. Trust me, once you try them, you won't want to go back. You can find the link to purchase these Eyecups in the description below. Don't miss out on the opportunity to enhance your shooting experience with this simple yet effective accessory. And if you enjoyed this review, make sure to subscribe to the channel for more photography and videography tips and gear reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy shooting. Hey there, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on any of our exciting new content. Today, we're going to be taking a closer look at the Oxford Fabric Men Business Portable Storage Bag and Toiletries Organizer. Trust me, this is a game changer for anyone who loves to stay organized while on the go. Whether you're a business professional or a travel enthusiast, this bag is going to revolutionize the way you pack and manage your toiletries. Any of the standout features of this bag is its durable and waterproof Oxford fabric construction. That means you can take it with you anywhere and never have to worry about your items getting wet or damaged. It's a peace of mind that you just can't put a price on. The design of the bag is not just practical, but also stylish. It's compact and sleek, but still offers plenty of storage space. You'll be amazed at how much you can fit inside this little gem. And with the built-in hanging hook, you'll have easy access to all of your essentials without rummaging through your luggage. So, if you're someone who values organization and efficiency, or know someone who could benefit from a reliable travel pouch, I highly recommend checking out the Oxford Fabric Men Business Portable Storage Bag. The link is in the description below, so don't miss out on this opportunity to make your life a whole lot easier. Trust me, you won't regret it. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we have something really special to show you. If you're in the market for a new mountain bike, then you're definitely going to want to stick around for this review. Introducing the 26-inch MTB mountain bike. This bike is an absolute game-changer when it comes to outdoor sports and adventure. With its durable and lightweight aluminum alloy frame, you can tackle any terrain with ease. Whether you're hitting the trails or cruising through the city, this bike is built to handle it all. One of the standout features of this mountain bike is the 26x 17-inch spring front fork. This provides superior shock absorption, giving you a smooth and comfortable ride, even on rough and bumpy surfaces. When it comes to speed and control, this bike has got you covered. With options for 21, 24, 27, or even 30 speeds, you can easily find the perfect setting for any riding conditions. And with reliable disc brakes, you'll have maximum stopping power when you need it. Most. The 26-inch MTB mountain bike is designed for riders of all heights, with a fit range of 150,180 centimeters. So, whether you're tall or short, you'll find this bike to be the perfect fit for your adventures. Available in both white and black, this bike not only performs like a dream, but looks like one too. With its sleek and modern design, you'll be turning heads wherever you go. So, if you're ready to take your outdoor adventures to the next level, be sure to check out the 26-inch MTB mountain bike. Trust me, you won't find a better ride out there. And the best part? You can find this amazing bike at a great price by clicking the link in the description. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity to upgrade your ride and experience the thrill of the outdoors like never before. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more reviews and recommendations on the best outdoor gear. Happy riding!
Hello, my dear viewers. Today, I am thrilled to introduce to you the amazing torch cooking AutoIgnition butane gas welding burner. This incredible device is a must-have for all your outdoor cooking and camping adventures. Let me tell you all about the fantastic features of this product and why you need to click the link in the description and get one for yourself right now. First and foremost, this torch burner is designed for ultimate convenience and safety. It features a fully automatic electronic ignition, allowing you to start cooking without any hassle. The flame and temperature can be easily adjusted, with a maximum temperature reaching a scorching 1350 degrees Celsius. This means you can achieve the perfect heat for all your culinary needs, whether you are grilling at a barbecue or cooking up a storm on a camping trip. The ergonomic design of the torch ensures that it is comfortable to hold, making it the perfect tool for all your outdoor activities. Plus, it can be easily fixed onto a butane tank, allowing for eco-friendly and cost-effective use. The torch is also designed to prevent wind, moisture, and water, ensuring that it performs flawlessly in any outdoor environment. In terms of specifications, this torch boasts an impressive output power of 960 kcal/1.11 kW/3809 BTU, making it a powerful and efficient cooking tool. It is compatible with butane gas tanks, with a combustion value of 80 G/H and gas consumption of 50-140 G/H. With these specifications, you can rest assured that this torch will meet all your cooking needs without any issues. But perhaps the most impressive feature of this torch is its versatility. Whether you're cooking at a restaurant, at home, or out in the wilderness, this torch is the perfect companion. It is suitable for a wide range of outdoor activities, including picnics, hiking, and camping. This device truly is the ultimate tool for outdoor cooking enthusiasts. So why wait? Click the link in the description and get your hands on the torch cooking AutoIgnition butane gas welding burner today. Don't miss out on the opportunity to revolutionize your outdoor cooking experience. With its safety features, versatility, and efficiency, this torch is a game changer for anyone who loves outdoor cooking. Order yours now and take your culinary adventures to the next level. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and photography lovers. Today I've got something really exciting to share with you. If you're in the market for a high-performance SD card that is perfect for surveillance cameras, dash cams, drones, and action cameras, then you need to check out the Lenovo Thinkplus Memory SD card. This SD card is a real game changer when it comes to storage and performance. With its A1 application performance class, you can rest assured that it can handle large files quickly and efficiently. Not only that, but it also has a UHS level of U3, which means it can handle high-speed data transfer, making it perfect for use with dashcams and drones. And with a V10 video speed class, you can trust that this SD card can handle high-quality video recording, making it ideal for use with action cameras and dashcams. The C10 class level of this SD card ensures that it can handle a wide range of applications, from file storage to video recording. So whether you're a professional photographer, a videographer, or just someone who loves capturing every moment, this SD card is a must-have for you. So why wait? Upgrade your storage game today and take your photography and videography to the next level with the Lenovo Thinkplus Memory SD card. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Click the link in the description below to get your hands on this incredible SD card. And hey, while you're at it, don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay tuned for more tech reviews and product recommendations. Thanks for watching.
Hey there, beauties. If you're looking for the perfect eyebrow pencil that will give you natural, long-lasting results, then look no further. Introducing the 4-point eyebrow pencil Maquillages Para Mudger Waterproof Liquid Eyebrow Pen Makeup. This amazing eyebrow pen features a unique 4-point fork tip that creates natural-looking brows effortlessly, giving you the perfect outline every time. With 5 beautiful colors to choose from, you can find the perfect shade to match your hair color and skin tone. But that's not all. This eyebrow pen is also easy to use and leaves no residue, so you can create stunning brows without any hassle. The waterproof and smudge-proof formula ensures that your makeup stays put all day long, no matter what activities you have planned. And the best part? This high-quality eyebrow pencil is portable and convenient to carry with you wherever you go, so you can touch up your brows on the fly. Made with safe and skin-friendly ingredients, this eyebrow pen is a must-have addition to your makeup routine. Whether you're hitting the gym, going for a swim, or just running errands, this eyebrow pencil will keep your brows looking fabulous. So what are you waiting for? Click the link in the description to get your hands on the 4-point eyebrow pencil Maquillages Para Mudger Waterproof Liquid Eyebrow Pen Makeup and take your brow game to the next level. Don't miss out on this fantastic product. Your brows will thank you.
Hey there, welcome back to the channel. If you're a photographer or a videographer, you probably know the struggle of dealing with messy cables and wires when using your DSLR camera or other equipment. Well, I've got just the thing for you. Introducing the DSLR Camera Cable Clamp Portable L-Plate Fitting Wire Clip Lock Organizer. This little tool is a game changer when it comes to keeping your cables neat and organized. No more tangled messes, no more wasted time trying to untangle cords. The portable cage L-Plate Fitting Wire Clip Organizer Kit comes with a 14-inch screw tetherbox cable clamp lock, ensuring that your cables stay secure and in place, giving you peace of mind while you're working. Made of durable aluminum alloy, this cable clamp works with cameras, camera cages, L-plate bracket and other DSLR video rigs with 1420 screw holes, making it a versatile and essential tool for any photographer or videographer. But that's not all. This cable clamp is also compatible with DMIUS microphone wire clip mount for DSLR camera video gimbal stabilizer camera handle grip, so you can use it with a variety of equipment. And if you're worried about compatibility, don't be. The cable clamp lock is applicable for DMIUS cable, making it compatible with Sony AESI camera cage, and many other popular camera models. So if you're tired of dealing with messy cables and want to streamline your workflow, this DSLR camera cable clamp is the perfect solution for you. And the best part? You can get yours today by clicking the link in the description below. Say goodbye to cable clutter and hello to a more organized and efficient work environment. Don't miss out, grab yours now and take your photography and videography to the next level. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more great content.
Hey there, fellow cyclists. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss out on our latest reviews and recommendations. Today, we've got something special for all the young riders out there, the cycling city boys girls bicycles. These high-quality bikes are perfect for kids who are ready to take on the world on 2 wheels. With a high-carbon steel frame, these bicycles are built to last through all the adventures and challenges your child may face. The 12,141,618-inch options ensure that there's a perfect size for every young rider, so they can grow alongside their trusty bike. One of the best features of these bicycles is the included basket, perfect for carrying around their favorite toys, snacks, or even a cute little pet for the ride. Plus, the adjustable seat and handlebars make it easy to customize the bike to fit your child's unique needs and preferences. We all know how important it is to encourage our kids to stay active and enjoy the great outdoors, and these bicycles are the perfect way to do just that. Not only will they have a blast riding around, but they'll also be developing valuable skills like balance, coordination, and independence. So, if you're ready to give your little one the gift of endless fun and adventure, be sure to check out the link in the description to get your hands on the cycling city boys girls bicycles. Trust us, you won't regret it. Happy riding, everyone. Hey there, tech enthusiasts and laptop aficionados. Today, I am thrilled to introduce you to the Adreamer LeoBook 13, the ultimate blend of style, performance, and portability. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who demands the best from their laptop, the Adreamer LeoBook 13 is designed to be your perfect companion. With its 13.3-inch Retina display and a sleek A4 book-size design, this laptop is as small and exquisite as it is powerful. The 2,160,160,019,201,200 FHD IPS screen provides a stunning visual experience, and with a variety of colors with a metallic finish, you can choose the one that suits your style. Plus, with up to 57 hours of usage time, you can count on the LeoBook 13 to keep up with your busy lifestyle. But it's not just about looks. The Adreamer LeoBook 13 is equipped with an Intel Celeron N4020 processor that runs smoothly and efficiently. Whether you're watching movies, listening to music, browsing websites, or engaging in business tasks, this laptop can handle it all with ease. And let's not forget about the 8GB RAM and 1TB SSD storage that ensures seamless multitasking and ample space for all your files and applications. Plus, with expandable storage options, you can easily add more space as needed. This laptop is not just about power and performance, it's also incredibly portable and lightweight at just 1.3 kg. This means you can take it with you wherever you go, whether it's for outdoor office work, studying at the library, or simply enjoying some downtime at a coffee shop. The Adreamer LeoBook 13 also comes with a 1-year hardware warranty and 6 months warranty for accessories, so you can have peace of mind knowing that you're covered in case of any issues. In conclusion, the Adreamer LeoBook 13 is a powerhouse of a laptop that's designed for those who demand the best. It's stylish, powerful, portable, and backed by a solid warranty. So why wait? Click the link in the description and make the Adreamer LeoBook 13 your new everyday companion. Hey there, golfers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest golf gear reviews and tips. Today, we're talking about something every serious golfer needs in their bag: high-quality golf club ferrules. And we've got something special for you. Introducing the 10PCS plastic golf club ferrules replacement tips, available in 3 stylish colors: white, red, and orange. These ferrules are designed to provide a secure and professional finish to your club irons, and they are made from high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. With a tip size of 0.355, these ferrules are compatible with most iron golf club shafts, making them a versatile addition to any golfer's toolkit. But why should you upgrade to these replacement ferrules? Well, not only do they add a touch of style to your clubs, but they also help protect the shaft from damage and ensure a snug fit between the club head and the shaft. This means better control and improved performance on the course. So, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out in the game, these 10PCS plastic golf club ferrules replacement tips are a must-have accessory. And the best part? You can get them at an incredible price by clicking the link in the description below. Don't settle for subpar equipment, invest in quality, and take your game to the next level. Trust us, your golf game will thank you for it. So go ahead, click that link and get your hands on these fantastic golf club ferrules today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the course.